Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, guys, remember I said that I was gonna come back to say to you ukuthi vele it's true that uMusa uDr. Hayibo, respect. uDr. Musa Mthombeni did the deed that made the pot disappear. Remember? Yeah, I said that. So now I'm back with more info to just like your one to you guys. So it turns out that Ulezel said to took to her page to say that you guys should learn to business your mind. Learn to mind your business, yabo. Yes, that's what she literally said. That we should learn to mind our business. And then yena nomyeni wakhe udokotela Musa Mthombeni they are preparing to celebrate 5 years anniversary. So let's have a letting we are talking about. Yena she doesn't know anything about it. She doesn't know anything about it. Ba happy, ba right, ba babzibi nje nomuntu wakhe. So the whole thing that happened in December kusho ukuthi yeah, I don't know. The whole buying of the thinging of the thing. No, I don't know, me too. But they're not getting divorced, guys. They're not signing the papers. The whole event of signing the papers is not happening. But they are still going strong and happy. And then we'll celebrate our anniversary. It's 5. It is here together, happily married. So whatever that was really was allegedly, and it was not true. So they're not going through that. But Ulezel didn't confirm Gutsi vele the thing didn't happen. You see, with the whole vacation that they took last year December and everything. But she said that Bona they're preparing to celebrate the anniversary of 5. So Tina, we should business our mind. Thank you. Bye.